The only difference between Towser and any other wicket-keeper is that he wears his pads on the bottom of his feet. Oh, and another thing, he's never yet been known to yell, "How's that?" Talk about keen, just look at him. Like a flash he snaps at the ball, and although nature hasn't made it possible for him to throw it back to the bowler, like a good dog he takes it back, and back he comes for another. No barking, no noise, caught in the slips. He's grimly intent on the game, and heaven help the batsman who's out of his crease when Towser's behind the sticks. There's one thing about the side Towser's on, the tail always wags.